You divide it.
Even like that. Small one, two, three, like that.
Lagay ko sa YouTube to ah.
Ito na lang. Kaya mo na lang. Ito na lang. Para hindi na magulo.
Okay,
Wala lang.
Lagay ko sa YouTube. Panoorin nyo ah.
Medium fry each one, one.
Yeah.
But the chicken fish, you cannot see no.
Now, how is this?
Different fish.
Yes.
Ano na yan?
This one is different size, the weight.
Wait, okay. Because of the weight, take it off.
Okay.
No more fish.
Okay.
Bad for the food.
And the your prawn is medium size.
Sarap na. Sarap na.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Make it two. No fish. No fish. Okay? No fish. The prawn. YouTube yan, YouTube.
Ikaw, meron na yun. Half king. 7.
Saan ba tayo kumain? Dito kami kumain.
Beer. Siya beer.
Tiger.
Tiger beer.
Casper, the guy, Casper. You want to Casper special food and you want something.
Tiger beer. Masarap tiger beer.
Outsport Tournament
Iinom natin.
2008.
Sa pitsin. Tiger beer. Kasi lang gusto ng beer. Kasi.
What? What is Casper? Casper beer.
Carlsberg yun.
No, I prefer San Miguel. But anong te? Okay ba yung Casper?
Tiger. Masarap.
Tiger, wait, Tiger. Okay, wait, first. How about the drink?
Water na lang ako, malaki.
Fine.
Okay, your Pepsi product or Coke product?
Ice level.
Okay, Pepsi.
Pepsi on.
7 Up. I take 7 Up. Wait.
Yun o.
Right.
Ay, mataligod tayo. Lugod tayo.
The tiger, how many bottles you want to bring?
Yan ang mga kita natin dito.
You add more. Because you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will occupy everyone.
Good service ha?
Okay. Pag hindi, capital punishment yan na pag hindi ka bumalik.
Hindi,
Okay, first, you want tiger, so what is it?
no, we want like, I want 7 Up.
Fry only.
Right.
Fry Coke. Or maybe French juice or French
Right.
coconut. Do you want coconut?
Coconut, no, I have lots of coconut in the Manila.
100 plus.
How much? 2.
2
2 ringgit. Okay. We give Sprite.
Right.
Right.